In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet Contacts. Let's walk through the essentials so you can confidently add people to your account and share work with them the right way. Start by opening Smartsheet in your web browser and signing in. Once you're on the home screen, look to the bottom left corner and click the profile icon. This opens your account controls. From here, select User Management. This is the central place for managing the people who can access your organization's Smartsheet environment. To add someone individually, click Add User. In the form that appears, type the account name. Think of this as the person's display name. Keep it clear and consistent so it's easy to recognize later. When you're ready, click Save. That's it for a single contact. If you're bringing in several people, click Import New Users. You'll see a similar screen. Enter the account name information for each person you want to import, then click Save. This streamlines getting a batch of contacts into your system without repeating the single user steps over and over. Next, open the More Actions menu. This menu is where you'll find additional management options you may need as your list grows. If your list gets long, remember you can type to filter. Use the search field to quickly narrow down to a specific contact or record instead of scrolling. With your contacts in place, choose the item you want to share with a contact. If you're working from a list of assets, select the one you plan to give them access to. Then click into the sheet you intend to share so you can configure its access directly. At the top right of the sheet, click Share. You'll see the sharing panel appear. If you prefer to manage access at a broader level, click Workspace to switch from the single sheet to the workspace that contains it. Sharing from the workspace level makes it easier to provide consistent access across multiple items at once. Now, add people by name, email, or group. Using groups is especially helpful for larger teams so you can manage access for many users in one go rather than adding them individually. When you're done, click to confirm. Finally, if you want to distribute access quickly, click Copy Link. You can paste that link into your preferred communication channels so the right people can get to the work immediately. And that's the process. Navigate to User Management, add or import contacts, locate and share the right item, and use the Workspace view and link sharing to keep everything organized and efficient.